Hi everyone, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, in today's video, I have an Hermes bag for you to unbox, guys. I scored this one. Finally, I was debating actually this one, and you know what, I always think about before I purchasing anything like this from Hermes because sometimes even though you have this kind of particular one but you don't have this color, and also I don't have the color that I want, it's not this one, but like I said, the SA that I talked to, he said that once it has in stock, you should get this, people just get it and buy right away, since this one is also hard to get this kind of color. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, since it's Valentine's Day, I don't know when I'm gonna upload this one because sometimes I forgot to upload and edit the video. So he gave me this chocolate over here, like a horse head for Valentine's. For customers over there, I asked two, one for my hubby and one for myself. So for the bag, you guess what it is, guys. I mentioned that I already have this one, and as you can tell the bags as well, that what it is. I'm just glad that I scored this color, even though the color that I want, it's not I want, but this one is also hard to get. So we are here, by the way, in Naples, Florida, because we like this kind of place, and this area is quite nice and something. But since hubby wants to do something in here, so might as well stop and look around. So I got this care book over here. People know what it is, this one already. You can say. So here is the cutie pie. Are you guys ready? The what color is this? 1, 2. Oops. Ta-da! This is a noir color or black color, and with silver hardware. And this is a clamance leather, by the way, guys. And everything is like a plain, and the inside is like a plain suede. Let me see, I see something in here. Okay, just like a, yep, I do have a silver one. I wish it was gold hardware, but hey, I'm not complain about it. And this is the strap. The strap is all black as well. Made in France. This one over here, guys. So as you can see, this kind of strap is quite longer on me, but I can adjust this one, and that's what it looks like. The only problem with this is, you know, it's clamance leather is so the leather is clamance. It's not really you know, it's easy to bend or something. So I did have a protector, not insert, it's more like a the one that I got in UK, like just to, you know, instruct, what you call it, structure, like those things, what you call it? Yeah, structured items. But for now, I'm just leaving this one over here so it doesn't. So yeah, I don't know, guys, if you can see the beauty of this cutie pie. And so yeah, every time I not using it, I put something in it like a towel. Oh my god, I can smell the leather of this. Yeah, I'm gonna make another one of this structure material that I mentioned to you guys. I might be gonna use this tonight, but well, we'll see. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna do a close-up with you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.